What is up, Powerstroke Nation? My name is Austin and you are watching the Powerstroke channel. Before we start today's video, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. I have something super exciting for today's video. It's something that's been super requested just about every single video for the past several weeks. Guys, finally, we have headlights. The black Harley-Davidson one-piece headlights. Time to get rid of these ugly pieces of junk. All right, so to do this, we got to pull this grill off, and I still haven't clear coated it, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna clear coat this grill, as well as pull these lights out and change them to the one piece. Just gotta clean all these bug guts off of here. Look at that, gross. All right, so I got the bulb part out. Good God, guys, this is a pain in the butt. So there's these stupid little clips that sit on the top of the headlight about here. I'll show you actually over here. So they sit, there's one down there, and the other one's right here. So what you wanna do, you're gonna have to use some muscle. All I did was pop a flathead screwdriver into that little gap there and just pry as hard as I could. There is a special tool you can buy to do this. I didn't realize that until I got into it. But I'm not reusing these headlights at all, so I figured I'm not going to need those clips again, so I just popped them out. And now I'm on to pulling off this turn signal here. So there's these two Phillips screws here, and I'm pretty sure that's all that's needed to pop this out. I'll let you guys know if I come into anything else. All right, this headlight's completely out. All that took was those two screws on the bottom. There's the old, here's the new. This is gonna be so much better. Okay, once the headlight is removed, you need to mark out where you're gonna be cutting. Riff Raff Diesel, I'll put it in my description. They have a full instruction guide on doing this. So I'll be cutting this header panel, which is just fiberglass, so I'm gonna be using a Dremel with a cutting wheel. And we're gonna see how this goes. All right, guys, so the Dremel died. Bumping up to the RotoZip. All right, so Garrett cut this fiberglass out for me. There we go, we're working on the second light. I'm excited, guys. It's gonna look a lot better. All right, guys, we're losing daylight pretty quick. I have one of the headlights in and mocked up. Of course, the screws for the top are not right. I'm gonna look through a box and see if I might have something. If not, it will have to be put off until tomorrow. But here it is mocked up. It looks pretty good. I love it. And it actually sits pretty nicely along with the body line here. All right, guys, here we are, day 2 of the headlight install. Here's what they look like in the daylight. I think they look phenomenal. This one is not seating right. It's got a pretty big gap here. I can get my fingers in there. So I'm gonna pull this headlight out, cut around trim, try to get it to fit a little bit better. This one fits super nicely. I mean, this looks phenomenal. I'm so excited to put the white grille back on with the black headlights. As you can see, this is a much better body line there. It looks factory. I am super excited. Let's get back into this and let's finish this job up so we can see what this thing looks like. I didn't get to do it very well last night because it was kind of dark and I was running out of daylight, so I was hustling. So on the Riff Raff instructions, I'll link them below. You have to cut out where the old headlight was, and so that way this new one fits in because it's got a bigger housing on the backside, so it needs to be cut out a little bit to fit a little bit better. All right, guys, so I got the new headlight back on and the fitment is a lot better. As you can see, I can't get my finger in there anymore. Just took a little adjusting of the screws, and now I got the new bulbs in. I did LEDs in the bottom here, and I did just normal halogen lights on the top. And I'm gonna get the new bulbs on this side, and the headlights are done, guys. And I can throw the new grill back on and see how it looks. Alright guys, so the new headlights are now on. What do you guys think? I think it absolutely made the truck. It completely transformed how it looks. I can't believe it. It's just headlights. It's two little things. But wow, honestly, it looks like a new truck. I absolutely love these lights. If you guys have a 2000, it's a little bit of work, but it's absolutely worth it in the end because it's a showstopper. I double take my own truck. It's crazy. It really is, and it really updates the front end of this thing. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share it. Hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. We are at 900 subscribers. I think we're at 912. We are so close to 1,000 of the Powerstroke Nation, and that is absolutely awesome. And I cannot thank you guys. I'm considering doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you'd like to participate in that, all you got to do is subscribe and comment on my videos, and I'll pick a winner once I hit 1,000, and I'll figure out what the prize is, and I'll talk more about it in future videos. Watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next week.